Welcome to Easy Learning Tips. I am Mrs. Ramya Shankar. Today I am going to explain you the short story Sinbad, My First Voyage. Class 7, Term 3 portion. Voyage means journey by sea. Sinbad, the sailor, is an imaginative character. He is the hero of story cycle of Middle Eastern origin. He is described as a man from Baghdad. During the early Abbasid Caliphate, 8th and 9th century CE. CE means Common Era. Sinbad's 7 voyages is throughout the seas east of Africa and south of Asia. During his voyages, he has fantastic adventures, meaning excellent, exciting experience in magical realms. Realms means kingdom. He encounters large, ugly creatures and supernatural events. In this story, the rich Sinbad describes his first voyage to the poor Sinbad. Poor Sinbad is a porter. Porter means person who carry luggage. Sinbad's father was a rich merchant. He died when Sinbad was very young. At young age, Sinbad was very inexperienced and thoughtless. He lost all his wealth foolishly. After realizing his fault, he decided to sail for the Persian Gulf to sell goods. Persian Gulf is also known as Arabian Gulf. It is a Mediterranean Sea in Western Asia. One day on board, Sinbad and crew saw a small green island. As they were hungry, they decided to cook some food on the island. As soon as they lit fire for cooking, they got a jerk. It was not an island, but a back of the huge animal. Everyone jumped into the sea to save his life. Most of them boarded the ship. A few were left to struggle in the sea for their lives. Sinbad was one among them. Fortunately, he held on to a big piece of wood and floated in sea for a long time. He was thrown on an island. There he ate herbs and drank spring water. In that strange island, he met a man and poured out his misfortune. The man felt pity and took him inside a cave. There were a number of slaves present there. They served him good food and drink. They produced him in front of the king Mirjan, who was the ruler of the island. Sinbad narrated his tale of suffering and hardships to the king. He was a noble and kind person. He sympathized with Sinbad and appointed him as an officer. Sinbad became friendly with the people. During his stay, he witnessed huge, terrible fishes and many unimaginable wonders like fish with bull head. He longed to go back to his city, Baghdad. One day, the same ship which he boarded happened to come to that place. The surprised captain and the happy crew members hugged him and handed over his goods. Sinbad presented his valuable items to the kind king. In return, The king also gave him expensive presents. Sinbad earned a lot of money and returned to Baghdad as a rich man. Sinbad completed the tale of his first voyage. He presented the poor porter with a purse full of gold coins and asked him to come next day to hear the tale of his new voyage. Overjoyed by the unexpected riches, the poor Sinbad thanked the rich Sinbad and went home. Thank you.